she discovered the super diamond necklace, her heart began to beat covetously. Her hand trembled as she lifted it. She passed it through round her neck, upon her high dress, and remained in ecstasy at sight of herself. And she flung herself on her friend's breast, embraced her frenziedly, and went away with her treasure. The day of the party arrived. Madame Loisel was a success. She was the prettiest woman present, elegant, graceful, smiling and quiet above herself with happiness. All the men started at her, inquired her name, and asked to introduce to her. All the Undersecretary of State were eager to waltz with her. The minister noticed her, ecstatically drunk with pleasure, with no thoughts for anything, in the triumph of her beauty, in the pride of her success. In a cloud of happiness, made up of this universal homage and admiration of the desire, she had a ruse of the completeness of a victory so dear to her feminine heart.